My name's Daniel. I'm on our technical sales team at Formlabs. I was a happy Formlabs customer before coming here. That's part of the reason I joined. So I worked at General Motors as an additive manufacturing engineer and used 3D printers from a lot of different manufacturers, including Formlabs, and had a great experience with Formlabs printers and our materials. So it's definitely part of what brought me here. I decided to transition into technical sales because it allows me to work on a number of different projects with lots of interesting customers who are doing exciting things as opposed to one very specific product. I'm on our inbound sales team, so I'm working with customers that have reached out to us or interacted with our website in some way. We do work with a lot of engineers, people who are developing or prototyping hardware products, but we also work with entrepreneurs and people who are starting businesses or just have a great product and are looking for an effective and inexpensive way to produce it. When I'm talking to customers, I think they can sense that I've actually done what I'm talking about and am very knowledgeable about the applications they're working on, the materials, and even other manufacturing methods. We're trusted by some of the biggest customers in the world that are working on some really interesting applications. So getting to help them solve their problems using our technology has been really rewarding and fulfilling. Some candidates are surprised by how technical this role can get because it is a sales role at the end of the day, but we're still working with engineers on a daily basis and trying to deploy a solution-oriented approach. So sometimes it can get pretty nitty-gritty down into the technical details. One of the things I really like about this role is that you're introduced to new engineering challenges on a daily basis. Every new customer that you talk to has a new problem. One interesting customer problem that comes to mind is for a company based here in Boston, actually, called Boston Bioproducts. They manufacture buffers for the medical industry, and they were facing a problem where they were having to purchase these single-use impellers for mixing various liquids together. So they would literally use it one time and then throw it away. And those were pretty expensive parts that they had to purchase from an external vendor. And we validated for them that they can use our Biomed durable material to print those parts themselves. In doing so, they're able to save a lot of time and money versus purchasing them from an outside source. Coming from a bigger corporation, I really like the pace at which Formlabs moves. Things get done way faster, and it's exciting to see how much can get done by a small, hardworking team in a short amount of time. There's a lot of things I like about working at Formlabs, but I think the most important one is the people and the relationships that I've built here. There's a lot of really smart, talented people who are extremely dedicated.